we know that if we have such a proportion, it can be represented in different forms. So we know that we can apply invertendo and alternando properties on this relationship. Now let's see another property of this relationship, or another property of proportions. So we have this relationship here, A is to B is proportional to C is to D. Now how can we write this relationship in terms of fractions? Well, we can write A by B is equal to C by D. Now what if we add 1 to both sides of A by B is equal to C by D? Then what do we get? Well, we add 1 on both sides. So we have A by B plus 1 is equal to C by D plus 1. Now if we further solve this, what do we get? A by B plus 1. This can be written as A, B is multiplied with 1, so plus B into 1 is B. So we can write it as A plus B, and this entire gets a denominator B. Similarly, D into 1 is D, so C plus D, this entire gets a denominator D. So we have A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Now if we write this in the form of proportion, what do we get? A plus B is to B is proportional to C plus D is to D. So from this relationship we obtained this, and this is a very important property of ratio and proportions. So whenever we have A is to B is proportional to C is to D, then we can write A plus B is to B is proportional to C plus D is to D. What do we name it? We call it componendo property of ratio and proportions. So A plus B is to B is proportional to C plus D is to D. So what is componendo property of ratio and proportion? For 4 numbers A, B, C, D, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we can write A plus B is to B is proportional to C plus D is to D. So if we have this relationship here, 4 is to 5 is equal to 8 is to 10. If we apply componendo property of ratio and proportion, what can we write it as? Componendo property mentions that 4 is to 5 can be written as 4 plus 5 is to 5, which will be equal to addition of these two terms, 8 plus 10 is to the second term, 10. So this is how we will represent this if we apply componendo property of ratio and proportion. So what do we get from these two expressions? We get 9 is to 5 is equal to 18 is to 10. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 8 plus 10 is 18. Now are these same? Can we verify it? Well, we can. 9 is to 5 is nothing but 9 by 5, which is equal to 18 by 10. Now 2 into 9 is 18 and 2 into 5 is 10. So even this is 9 by 5. So both these are actually equal. So componendo property stands true for this. So now can you answer this question? According to componendo property of ratio and proportion, 2 is to 7 is equal to 6 is to 21. This can be written as 4 plus 5 is to 7 equal to 8 plus 10 is to 21, or 2 plus 7 is to 7 is equal to 6 plus 21 is to 21, or 2 plus 6 is to 21 is equal to 7 plus 21 is to 6. Which one will be the correct answer? What do you think? Well, the correct answer will be this. Now, why do I say so? Because according to componendo property, what do we know? We know that if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A plus B is to B is equal to C plus D is to D. So here we have A plus B, that is 2 plus 7 is to B, which is 7, is equal to C plus D, 6 plus 21 is to D, 21. So this is correct. So what did we learn today? We learned that componendo property of ratio and proportion states that for 4 numbers A, B, C, D, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A plus B is to B is proportional to C plus D is to D. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.